Hello friends, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Luxury and Fashion. So viewers, I am back again with most demanding and most stylish short pixie bob haircuts and hairstyle design ideas for beautiful and gorgeous women. Dear viewers, I always try to bring useful content and useful videos about women's latest fashion trends. If you are liking my YouTube channel content, then please support me. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share my videos and like my videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my all upcoming videos. Dear viewers, these beautiful short pixie haircuts and hairstyles are very trendy nowadays. Any age woman can try these beautiful and stunning short pixie bob haircuts and hairstyle. So viewers, I will catch you soon with latest content of women's fashion and style. Till then, stay connected and keep visiting my YouTube channel for more updates about women's latest and trendy fashion ideas.